I'm telling you, these wings are the absolute best in town.
Keep dreaming. The burger completely wins.
Stop scrolling. Right now, there are 2 AI video generating tools that are completely free and unlimited. And almost nobody is talking about them. I'm about to show you both of them. Before I do, hit the subscribe button. Second tool is my favorite and you don't want to miss it. Tool number 1 is fast, simple, and it's perfect. If you just want to get a video out quickly with zero stress, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to set it up in seconds. But stick around because what I am showing you next is a whole different level. Tool number 2 is the one I've been using myself, and honestly, it's shocking and it's still absolutely free. The quality, the control, results, this is the one creators are sleeping on. And as we speak, both of these tools are absolutely free and unlimited. No paid version, no pro version. They are strictly free as at the time of the tutorial. You know how we do it. Click on the subscribe button, like button. Let's go straight into the tutorial. Let's go. Number 1 on my list is YouTube, and we'll be working with YouTube mobile application. Click your application open. You click on this sign button here, plus sign button. You'll be seeing this amazing interface that has video, short, live, and post. All right, you see this arrow up here. You click on it, let it open. You see AI playground, create video, photo to video, create music. Click on create video. This will come up where we'll have this describe your ideas, and you'll see make a video with your avatar, draw my life, make. There are so many platforms here you can work with, but right now I am creating from scratch. Okay, I don't want to work with templates, so we'll be uploading our own reference image. You have the right to upload your reference image. I have my reference image right here, and of course I've already come up with my dialogue script and I will be getting it with you. So we'll head over to my prompt bank where I'll be getting my dialogue script. So we'll copy from this camera here that says 00. We'll head down to this part. Okay, we'll copy it, move back to our prompt where to paste our prompt. You click it down, paste it right here. It is ready to generate. Okay, I'll be telling you the down and more of you need to know about this AI video generating tool on YouTube. Okay, you click on this, it will keep generating. Right now, number 1, this is the fastest video generating tools out there, and this gives you 5 seconds video. Okay, the next thing, it gives you 9:16 aspect ratio. Literally means it gives you a short form video. Okay, this is very good, and the lip sync is one of the best. You are not paying a dime. Remember, it is absolutely free. So let me know on the comment section if you'll be trying this out immediately. And of course, if you find what I do interesting, why not subscribe to the channel, give this video a like so YouTube can share it to more content creators out there that will appreciate.
This collaboration workshop is
Actually pretty awesome. The chicken's great too.
This collaboration workshop is
Actually pretty awesome. The chicken's great too.
See, lip sync is super nice, and the body movements, you can literally tell someone that this is not AI, but this is AI generated. Okay, and the last part you need to understand about generating video with this YouTube application. If you are generating with an iPhone, you won't be able to save your video to your device as at the time I am making this tutorial. Okay, but if you are using an Android phone, you will have the option to save to device. That is another down and good part of it. So guys, let's watch the video Concentrate on the lip sync, body movement, head, hand, everything, and drop your feedback on the comment section. Let's go.
This collaboration workshop is
Actually pretty awesome. The chicken's great too.
This collaboration workshop is
Actually pretty awesome. The chicken's great too.
If you are using Android phone, you'll be able to save. On iPhone, you can only click on next and post the video on your YouTube channel. This is what you get when you click on next. You see the option to drop the title, caption, description, and all that, where you will animate it and post. Okay, so let's head over to my second amazing AI video generating tool, which is absolutely free. Tool number 2, which is my favorite, and I'll be explaining to you why it's my favorite. Let's head to Gwen Studio. Click on Gwen Studio. You can access this on your mobile phone or your desktop. Register or you log in if you already have an account. Okay, click on the plus sign button down here and have this interface open. You take it up down to create video. Click on create video. You will have this option where you can change your aspect ratio. Up here you see all we have 1/1, 16:9, 9:16, unlike YouTube, the first one that has only 9:16. Here you have option. You see why I say this is my favorite, because this is what I use to create long form video on my faceless channels and other tutorials I've carried out. Okay, so down here you click on this button again and bring your image that you want to animate. Click it open, your image will load. All right, after loading or while it's loading, you look at it, you see it's rotating, it's loading. All right, you click on your prompt. I'll be using the exact prompt I used for the first tutorial, for the first tool, so that you will be the judge and find out the best video generating tool among these 2 free AI unlimited video generator. Okay, so right now it's done uploading. Let's click on this arrow button and let the magic start. Okay, this is what the dialogue looks like. Okay, feel free to copy it if you feel like. If you don't want to copy it, I always tell people to generate your own scripts. I am not a fan of copy my prompt, copy this. No, you need to stand out. You need to be unique. Let whatever you are doing be your own idea, original idea. If you start doing your own idea, original ideas, you will not have issues with YouTube demonetizing your channel or giving you inauthentic strikes. So always generate your own prompt. If you don't understand how to create your own prompt, feel free to write me. I will put you through on how to generate prompts without any fee. All right, so let's wait for this to generate. While we are waiting, don't forget to click on the subscribe button to be part of this amazing community. And very important, the bell notification will help you know when I bring new free AI tool your way. Yes, I've made a couple of videos how to clone your voice, how to get free Cadence 2, Grok 1.5 free absolutely video generating tools is always what I drop on this channel. Our video is what is ready, so let's play our video. Let it load, we'll play it and see what it sounds and look like. Yes, let's see our video. It's loading up, guys. Just few seconds, it will be ready. So feel free to tell me the best among these two. The reason why I select Gwen as my favorite, because you have more options. And
this collaboration workshop is actually pretty awesome. The chicken's great too. This collaboration workshop is actually pretty awesome. The chicken's great too. This collaboration workshop is actually pretty awesome. The chicken.
So this is absolutely cool. You can download here on iPhone and on Android phone. So you click on this button here to download the video. Okay, you click on this to download the video. You can as well publish to social media platform. If you are not okay with the video, you click on this arrow button here to regenerate. Your video is regenerating already. Okay, so if you are okay with it, you click and download your video, and voila, you have your free AI video generating unlimited right in your mobile phone. Yes, video generating tools are quite expensive, and I take it upon myself to always bring you free video generating tools out there. I understand how it is. Yes, one of the problem content creators face is paying for video generating tools. They are quite expensive. So I have another video I am working on, so feel free to watch these two videos on my screen right now while I bring you another tutorial. See you guys on my next video. Watch these two videos right here. See you guys. Cheers.